Welcome guys, this is Srikanth here. In this video I am going to show you how to develop a onboarding screen for your mobile app. Here is a glimpse of what we are going to develop. Let's get started. Create a stateless widget. Resolve the issues. Add void main. Change the container to material app. Add home. Create a stateful widget for onboarding. Add a scaffold. Body container. Add some text so that we can see something on the screen. Let's run this app. You can see the app is loaded now, but hello world is on the left top corner. So let me move that to the center. At this point we have developed the initial skeleton that is required for us to develop the app further. Now let's add a page view. I'm going to remove this text and add a page view with children of widgets. Add some icons inside the page view. So we have added some icons. Let me make them slightly bigger. Now I made them bigger. If I slide them, you can see the icons are moving. Generally in onboarding screen you will see some dots at the bottom of the screen which helps you through the navigation. So let me add those dots. We want those dots to be on top of the page view, so that I am going to wrap this content inside a stack and then change this to children and then add a brackets over here which will make it a stack of widgets. Here I am going to add a button bar with children. So I am going to add 3 buttons. Now I have added 3 buttons. You can see 3 buttons on the top, but I want them to position over here. For that I am going to align it. So you can see it is moved to bottom, but not to the bottom center. In order to make them align to the bottom center, I am going to add alignment inside the button bar. Now you can see the buttons are moved to the center of the screen. Even if I slide through the items, you can see the navigation doesn't seem to be working. So in order to make this work, I am going to write an event for page view. So in page view we have something called on page change. On page change takes it. So here I am going to set state. Basically what I am going to do is I am going to take an index and assign this I to the index. Now whenever a swipe happens in the page view, this function will be called and index will be set as to the page ID, okay, which is I. Now what I will do is I will set the color based on the index. I'll add the same code within the other buttons as well and change the index. Now if I swipe, you can see the gray color is moving. Okay, let me make this not equal to, so that it will look much better. And now you could see it looks much better. If you want to add more items onto the body of the screen, you can just go here and then just expand this code. And if you want to add some button, you can just add a button to the bottom of the screen. So this is how you develop a onboarding screen for your app. Here is an example of how I developed that code further and made this. So these things are the images, and you can see everything else is developed from the code. I'll be sharing a link in the description for this full code. You can go there, download and try running this app. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.